Hi dearest, how are you all doing today? So today I'm going to be taking you through the process of making this gorgeous looking turbanator, and this turbanator was made with Ankara. If you look closely, you will know it looks like one turban you'll get to see very soon. A seamstress rather gave me her client's pieces of material that the client needed a turban, and this was what the client chose, this gorgeous looking sparkling turbanator that I love. And we had to use what the client had. The client wanted it with her Ankara, and so we had to look for a way to get it looking like this. So what do you think? Is it gorgeous? Have you seen how this was made? Because you need some process of this to be able to gather up and make this by yourself. Now, before we get into that, say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. Now here is the pieces of material that I was given by the client, and it already had this sewn edge, and I was like, whoa, that makes work easier. So before I did that, I had to use my mako to make the base in this particular instance because we're working with the client's budget. And if you have watched last week's not last week, I think 2 weeks ago, I put this up, so you already know how to make your fascinator base with the mako. If you do not know how to do that, please do check the description of this video. I'll be dropping the link for the video on how to use mako to make your fascinator base. So if your client can pay the original price using cinnamon or princess mat or padded, then you can go for mako and do something gorgeous for your client. You don't have to lose your client. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do is get your turban base ready. Now, if you've been on my channel, you already know that if you are making use of a material that is not elastic, it's best to add a hand to it. So that's not stretchy, rather this is Ankara, it's not stretchy, so I've added hand to it, and now I've joined it the way we join our turban together. And the next thing, I'm just showing you how to do your running stitches to get it to have that lovely curve at the back that will grab the client's head and give it that lovely C curve sort of at the back. So keep watching and learning. Now you have this lovely turban after you have sewn. Can you see the curve at the back like so? See it? So see it's looking so lovely, no longer a bag. Okay, so let's get to the next phase. So because I'm satisfied with the shape it has formed, I'm going to now knot it. I squeezed it, so if you're not satisfied with the shape, you can release the squeeze. Once you're satisfied, you can then knot your thread as you see me doing. Then the next thing I'm going to do is sew these corners that appeared after the curve. I will just fold them like so. Just watch me. I'll fold it like so and then sew it. So I'm going to do that to all the two corners. So keep watching and learning. Now let's watch how to wear the turban base before we attach the fascinator base to make it a turbanator. Now the next thing is to attach your loop. Remember that this piece of this, to get the loop like this, to get something thick, you put in your thick crinoline inside the Ankara after you have sewn it. If you don't know how to do it, please, I will drop the link of how the purple turban was made, and then you would be able to make those parts that I didn't explain here. I brought out this video so that the parts that are not the same, you would get to know how to do it to arrive at what I arrived at. So that's me placing the loop on top of the turbanator like so. So if you gained value from this video, please do give me your thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So check out this purple turbanator on the DIY. It shows you every single phase. So those parts you didn't know, those parts that I didn't show in this particular video, you would get to know how to do it. This is the complete video that shows you how to make the parts that are the same in both of them.